Welcome to the SealXpert video presentation. Today, we are going to show you how to perform composite corrosion repair and reinforcement using the RepSeal Plus resin and activator and the RepSeal Plus chop strand mat. This repair method is typically used for composite repair of large flat surfaces. For example, storage vessel tanks or pressure vessels. First of all, you will need to clean and roughen the surface. Whenever possible, you should use a mechanical power tool, for example, wire brush and grinder, to perform surface preparation works. After surface preparation is completed, the surface should be free of loose particles, rust, and debris. Also ensure that the surface is dry and free of oil, grease, and chemicals. In the oil and gas and offshore industry, surface preparation follows a more stringent requirement. It is necessary to ensure prepared surfaces comply to international standards, for example, ST2 and surface profile to 60 micron roughness. Next, the entire bottle of RepSeal Plus hardener is poured into the tin can of resin container. Mix the resin and hardener with a paintbrush evenly for at least 5 minutes. Measure and cut a section of RepSeal Plus chop strand mat to fit onto the surface to be repaired. Apply approximately 2 mm thickness coating of the RepSeal Plus activated resin onto the surface. Lay the prepared chop strand mat onto the coated surface and press it evenly so that it adheres itself onto the coated surface. Use the paintbrush to apply a generous coat of RepSeal Plus activated resin. Brush over the surface to ensure the chop strand mat is fully wetted, while ensuring the coating is applied evenly. Poke the paintbrush into the coated surface to remove any air pockets trapped between the chop strand mat, so that the integrity of composite repair matrix is not weakened and compromised. Finally, lay a second prepared chop strand mat onto the coated surface and apply the last coat of RepSeal Plus activated resin. Allow the coated surface to cure completely. It will take approximately 2 hours at an ambient temperature of 30 degrees Celsius to obtain a tech-free cure. For more product information, visit us at SealXpert.com.